Meaning of deconstruct.
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 Deconstruct. To deconstruct something is to break it down into smaller parts and examine its underlying assumptions and biases. This process is often used in fields such as literature, philosophy, and cultural studies to analyze and critique texts and cultural phenomena. By deconstructing something, we can gain a deeper understanding of its meaning and uncover hidden power dynamics and ideologies. The result of deconstruction is a more nuanced and critical perspective on the subject being analyzed, which can lead to new insights and perspectives.